Hello schools. Worried about business continuity of your institutions? Worried about conducting online classes? Worried about the technology to use? Worried about hiring the technical expert to manage technology? Worry not. We got you the solutions. Nedusoft, a product of Nexus Info, takes all your worries and empowers institutes to focus on the education and ensures sustainability. We have one of the best integrated online class management platform, a new feature of Nedusoft. When teachers log in, you can view the teacher's dashboard. To access online classes, click on the online class on the top right. You can see the upcoming online class list. In Next tab, you can see the previous online class lists. To launch the online class, click Launch button, followed by which, you will be moved to online class session. You can access various controls with this session, like tools to control students' access to the class. Options to control live class session. Tools to work on whiteboard. Option to record live class. Public chat for class topic discussion. Flexible whiteboard tools for live handwritten class explanation and other drawing features. You have options to start a poll for questions session, share a presentation and share a video. To share a presentation, click this option. Browse your file and click Upload. It will process the pages for presentation. Now you can explain your presentation document with whiteboard tools. You can easily highlight the important contents, pan and zoom the document. To share an external video, click this option. Enter the video URL and click Share the video, followed by which, your video will be screening to the students.
We expect approximately 2 questions in NEET from this particular challenge.
Full screen mode is also available for broader view. Simultaneously watching teachers and students log in. Student can access online class from following option. Scheduled class will listed. Click to join the class. Now the teacher and the student are in the sync, through live class. To screen share with the students, click the following button. Select the screen window that you want to share. Now you are live sharing your screen with your student. You can stop your screen share at any time. All your students' attendance will be marked automatically while they join the live classes. You can view previous assignments that you have assigned. To add a new assignment, click the plus button. Enter the requirements of your assignment and save it. You can view and evaluate the submitted assignments. Moving towards the student portal. Students get the notification updates of their tests, exams, live classes and assignment. In dashboard you can see the attendance chart of the student, and in the below you get to see the student details, fees, documents shared, marks, lesson updates and assignments. As a management, when you log in, you can access the school reports, like online class report with easy filter options, assignment report, and lesson update report, SMS and mobile notification for students, SMS and mobile notification for staffs. Other features of ERPR. We present you the centralized AI dashboard. With this you can manage your institutions even on the move with our dashboard, which are easily accessible on any smart device. Have a check on fee collection, attendance, approvals, alerts and various other activities. Display of current school income status, imbalance fee. You can get to see the current fee status of the individual students. Also can see the current school expense status. In total bills payable, you get to see the paid expenses and the pending bills. You can also manage each and every bill and their payment authorities. You can also monitor the activity of staffs in the portal. We present you a unified platform, accessible on web and available on Google Play Store. Nedusoft renders database compilation of students right from admissions to alumni. For free demo and more information, contact us at info@schoolap.mobi and in mobile contact 91087866763. Follow, share and like our video. Stay tuned and click for latest updates. Nedusoft. Thank you for watching.